Monica, again from Ace Vacuums. One of the most common questions we get is 1. Is it better to repair or replace my vacuum? It depends on the vacuum's age, brand, condition, and the cost of repair. At Ace Vacuums, we provide honest evaluations to help you make the smartest choice. 2. How do I know if my vacuum is worth repairing? If your vacuum is under 7 years old and the motor or structural parts are intact, vacuum repair is usually the best option. We can assess this for free in store. 3. When should I replace my vacuum instead of repairing it? You should replace your vacuum if the motor is shot, the casing is cracked, parts are unavailable, or the cost of repair is close to a new model's price. 4. Is repairing my Dyson vacuum worth it? Yes, especially if it's a V7, V8, V10, V11, or ball model. Ace Vacuums technicians are trained in Dyson vacuum repair and can extend its lifespan affordably. 5. Can you repair old vacuums that are out of warranty? Yes! At Ace Vacuums, we specialize in out-of-warranty vacuum repairs for Dyson, Miele, Riccar, Sebo, Shark, Orek, and more. 6. Do you offer trade-in credit if I choose to replace my vacuum? Absolutely. We offer trade-in discounts when you purchase a new vacuum from Ace Vacuums after a repair evaluation. 7. Is vacuum repair cheaper than buying a new vacuum? In many cases, yes. Common repairs like replacing filters, motors, or brush rolls cost much less than a high-quality vacuum. 8. Can I get a free quote before deciding? Yes. Ace Vacuums provides free diagnostics and quotes before any vacuum repair or replacement recommendation. 9. What's the average lifespan of a vacuum? Most quality vacuums last 8-12 years with regular maintenance. Miele and Sebo models can last even longer, 15 plus years. 10. Are replacement parts available for older vacuum models? For many brands, yes. Ace Vacuum stocks parts for legacy models and can also retrofit some systems with compatible components. 11. Should I repair my Shark vacuum or buy a new one? If the issue is a clogged hose, brush roll, or battery, a repair is affordable. If the motor is damaged, replacement may be smarter. We evaluate both options. 12. Can you help me decide which new vacuum to buy if I replace mine? Yes! Ace Vacuums technicians are experts in Miele, Sebo, Riccar, Dyson, Shark, Kenmore, Kirby, and cordless vacuums. We'll help match your home's needs with the right model. 13. Is it common for vacuums to need repair? Yes, especially with daily use. Belts, filters, motors, and batteries wear down. Timely repairs help avoid bigger problems later. 14. What are signs I should replace instead of repair? Some red flags include frequent breakdowns, a burning smell, excessive noise, cracked housings, or discontinued parts. 15. Will a new vacuum perform better than a repaired one? Sometimes. New vacuums offer upgraded suction, quieter motors, and better filtration. That's why we offer both expert repairs and upgraded models at Ace Vacuums. 16. Do repaired vacuums come with a warranty? Yes! Ace Vacuums provides warranty coverage on most repairs and replacement parts. 17. Is vacuum repair environmentally friendly? Absolutely. Repairing instead of replacing reduces landfill waste and supports sustainability. 18. What's the cost range for vacuum repair? Most repairs range from $40 to $130 depending on the issue. We'll give you a full quote before any work begins. 19. Can you repair central vacuums too? Yes! We specialize in central vacuum repair, retrofits, and installations for Beam, Maryland, Canavac, Newtone, and more. 20. Why should I trust Ace Vacuums for repair or replacement? With over 15 years of experience, certified technicians, 2 convenient locations, and 5-star reviews, Ace Vacuums is the VA, DC, Maryland's go-to shop for honest vacuum advice, repairs, and replacements.